to make a video that tests some of the brand new LG Wing's coolest features.
What's up guys, my name is Jesse LaFleur and I'm a professional parkour athlete and freerunner.
The best parkour athletes not only know how to push their minds and bodies to the limit, but also how to beautifully capture and film their movements. Many parkour athletes use some sort of stabilization on their footage to give it that professional fluid look. The LG Wing actually comes embedded with a gimbal motion camera that uses 6 motion sensors and stabilization software to get that pretty smooth look. The LG Wing is super lightweight, super easy to use, and when you swivel up like this, which I think is really cool, it actually gives you the same user interface as a gimbal. And since you only need one hand to operate the phone, you have the other hand free to help you get that more professional quality. The gimbal sets the Wing apart from other phones, which usually come only equipped with Steadicam technology. Most Steadicam technology only reduces shaking while the camera itself is moving, whereas the gimbal camera on the Wing allows the camera to move, giving the user complete control over what angle they want to shoot the video subject from, without actually having to move the device around. It also has some cool features like time-lapse, slow-mo, and this is going to be really nice to use today since I'm very much a beginner. So for this next feature, I'm actually going to use dual camera recording, which allows me to film using the front camera and the back camera at the same time so you guys can see my reaction as well as what I'm seeing both at the same time. I love this because there's this cute little camera that pops out, and also, thank God, there's this feature where if you accidentally drop the phone, the camera pops back in to keep it safe. Something that's really nice about the Wing is that you sort of have 2 workspaces similar to working off 2 monitors in a desktop setting. So you can see your video up here and edit it down here in the second screen. So as someone who films with a variety of equipment, I was pretty impressed with the gimbal camera and how convenient it is to use in the Wing and how smooth everything looks. I love how my Instagram video turned out and professional, especially considering it's from a phone, and I'm pretty happy with what we got today.